Hello, welcome back to Shumi's Makeover once again. Today I have come with another festive season makeup look. This is Shoptomi's makeup look, you can see. It was my yesterday's go-to look, so I uploaded this video lately. So guys, check this out. Don't forget to let me know about this look. If you are watching me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your love and support always boost me to make new videos. Cleaning my face with Jovi's Rose Toner. Applying Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as my eye base. Today I'm gonna defining my brows with this Mars eyebrow palette. The palette is so pigmented and it's very good for beginners too. Now I'm gonna clean my eyebrows with this Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm gonna use this Eye Magic eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna create a soft eye look. I'm applying this orange color into my transition area as my transition shade. Placing a violet eyeshadow with a flat shader brush at my outer V. Blend this really well. Build the color till you are not satisfied with your outer V shade. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Taking a small amount, I'm cutting my lids. Cut your eyelid very roughly, as we are gonna set a shimmery shade at this place. Take your time and do this. And wishing you all a very happy Durga Puja. Stay safe and healthy. Please maintain all kind of safety measures so that you can be safe. Take a pencil brush and apply the color, the violet color, above the crease line. It will also help you out to pop out your cut crease line. Now I'm blending the violet with a soft pink color, this one. This is a white shimmery shade, white shimmery shadow you can say. I'm applying with my finger. I'm just pressing it, not dragging it. Blend all together now. Again a pink color to blend all this out very nicely. Do follow us as Shumi's Makeover at Instagram and Facebook and YouTube too. Placing a black eyeshadow. I'm using gel eyeliner over here. This is from Inglot. Please excuse me guys if any kind of a song or any kind of a noise is coming out, cause it's festive season, you know. I'm drawing a wing liner over here. This is a Bio Oil moisturizer, a very good moisturizer. This moisturizer is a blessing for dry skin. So dry skin people, please use it. Use it before your foundation and at night and you are good to go. Applying Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, you all know. Now it's time for highlighting. It's again Age Rewind concealer I'm using in shade Neutralizer. This contour palette again from Makeup Revolution. I love this palette so much. It is super pigmented palette. I'm cutting my nose with a smaller brush. It's a banana powder I'm applying into my highlighting areas. This is also from Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution banana powder is also a very good powder. But for dry skin, you have to apply it in very small quantity. Now it's time for blush, again from Makeup Revolution. I'm applying this blush with this smaller puff. It will help you to get a natural look. It's Plum Mist, we all know about this. I'm applying this to set all my makeup together. I'm applying a darker shade into my lash line. Highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Next I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to give it a glow a bit more. My lipstick is from Nykaa in shade Jane and Kiko lip liner. It's a mixture color and I'm done. This is the final look. Do let me know into the comment section below about this look. Eagerly waiting for your comments. Bye bye.